Okay, this is going to be for a real deal. I want you to do this every day. I'm supposed to do it every day, and I don't. We need to change the prices every day, and by that I mean the margin. So we got to change it in two places. Here in SKU Grid, we go to My Items. You go to Settings. You go to Settings. Marketplace, eBay, US, and depending on where sales are, you go up or down with the margin. If sales are kind of slow, right now they're okay, so we'll probably go up a little bit. You switch to Wizard View. Right now we're at 13.1. Just change it by a tenth to go to 13.1. And then you got to change it in Hydra too. So you save that. Then go over here to Hydra. And here, I gotta sign in here. Get rid of this. Launch Hydra. Alright. And then over here it says Batch Single Lister Settings, US Settings. We're going to change it here to 13.1 as well. Make sure it's the same thing. And then click Next and Save. And that's it. But do that every day. Up a little bit if it's, if we really had a bad sales day, then lower it by 0.3 or 0.4. If it's been kind of okay, then just change it 0.1 up or down, doesn't really matter. If it was a really great day, then we can maybe up the margin to 0.3 or 0.4 more. It just depends on how sales were the day before.